Welcome to Chapter Inter 10, your ultimate guide to mastering Class 6 chapters in just a few minutes. This is Chapter 3, Mindful Eating, A Path to a Healthy Body, from your Class 6 Curiosity textbook. Are you ready to discover the secrets to feeling strong, focused, and happy? It all starts with the food we eat. Today, we are going to learn how small changes in how we think about food can make a big difference for our bodies. We're going to explore what a balanced diet looks like, what nutrients our bodies need, and how we can make smart choices every day. Let's get started. Let's start with a basic question. Think about it. Why do we eat? We all feel that rumbly feeling in our stomach when it's been a few hours since we last ate. That is hunger. Our body is telling us something very important. It's saying, "Hey, I need energy." Think of your body like a superhero suit, or even a very cool advanced car. To move, to run, to think, and to grow, it needs fuel. Food is that fuel. Without food, our engines slow down. We might feel tired, we might not be able to concentrate in class, we might find it hard to play. Food doesn't just make us feel full. Food provides everything our bodies need to function. But is all food the same? Not exactly. Let's look closer. Think of food as a mix of many different special ingredients. We have a special name for these ingredients. They are called nutrients. Think of nutrients as the key building blocks. In your textbook, we will learn about 5 major groups of nutrients. They are like 5 different jobs that food does for your body. Some nutrients build your muscles and bones. Some nutrients give you fast energy. Some nutrients help you fight off sickness, and some nutrients even keep you warm and cozy. For your body to be superpowered, you need all of them working together. Let's meet these 5 amazing nutrient groups. The first nutrient group is carbohydrates. These are like your body's main fuel source. They give you the energy to move and run. The second group is proteins. These are the body's builders. They help your muscles, skin, and bones grow strong and help them repair when they are hurt. The third group is fats. Fats are like energy storage. They provide energy and also help keep your body warm. But we only need a little bit. The fourth group is vitamins. Vitamins have many small but critical jobs. They are like supervisors. They keep your body working smoothly from your eyes to your bones. And the fifth group is minerals. Minerals like iron and calcium also have super important jobs, like keeping your bones strong and helping your blood carry oxygen. We need both vitamins and minerals in small amounts, but they are absolutely essential for good health. Let's talk about the first nutrient again, carbohydrates. They are often called carbs. Think of them as the easiest energy to use. When you eat bread or rice, your body breaks it down very quickly to use as fuel. Imagine a battery for a toy. Carbs are like that fresh battery that makes the toy zoom around. Carbs give you the go power for everything you do, from playing cricket to doing math. Where can we find carbs? Think of things that grow in the ground. The most common ones are cereal grains like wheat, used for bread, rice, and corn. Also, vegetables like potatoes are rich in carbs. Remember, to keep your engine running all day, you need a good supply of these. The next group is fats. People sometimes talk about fat like it's a bad word, but our bodies actually need it. Fats have 2 very special jobs. First, fats are like our energy savings account. When your body runs out of the energy from carbs, it can turn to its fat reserves for power. Fats store more energy than carbs do. Second, fats have an insulated coating. They keep your organs, like your heart and stomach, cushioned and safe. They also act like a warm blanket under your skin to help control your body temperature. Where do we find fats? We find them in oils, butter, and even nuts. Remember, we only need a small amount of fat compared to carbs, but that little bit is very important. Let's move on to the bodybuilders, proteins. Think about when you build a tower out of blocks. If you add more blocks, the tower gets bigger and stronger. This is exactly what proteins do for your body. They are the key ingredient that makes your muscles grow big and your bones strong. If you accidentally fall and cut your knee, your body uses proteins to make new skin and repair the wound. Proteins are like the repair crew for your superhero suit. Where do we get proteins? In food. Excellent sources include animal products like eggs, milk, and fish. For students who do not eat meat, plants have proteins too. Lentils or dal are packed with protein. So are beans and peas. They all help you grow tall and stay strong. The next two groups, vitamins and minerals, are different. We don't need huge amounts of them like we need carbs and protein, but don't let that fool you. They are essential supervisors. Imagine a football team. You have the players, the carbs and proteins doing the big work, but you also need a coach and referees to make sure everyone plays by the rules and that the game runs smoothly. Vitamins and minerals are the coaches and referees. Vitamins, for example, help your eyes see well, keep your skin healthy, and help your body make energy from food. They are found in many places, especially fruits and colorful vegetables. Each fruit or vegetable has different special vitamins. Minerals like calcium make your bones and teeth super strong. Another mineral called iron helps your blood carry oxygen to all parts of your body, which gives you energy. We get minerals from dairy, certain leafy greens, and other whole foods. Now we know all the 5 major nutrient groups. We know they all do unique, important jobs. If we eat too much of one group or not enough of another, our body engine can't work at its best. So how do we put it all together? We need a balanced diet. A balanced diet means eating the right amount of food from all the food groups every single day. Think of it like a superhero team. Iron Man is cool, but he can't win every battle alone. He needs Captain America and Black Widow and the rest of the team. Your body needs all the nutrients to be healthy. If you only eat rice and bread, just carbs, your muscles won't get enough protein to grow strong. If you don't eat any fruits or vegetables, you won't get the vitamins that protect you. To be your healthiest, you need to invite all 5 nutrient groups to your plate. This is the most exciting part. Eating isn't just about what you put into your mouth, it's also about how you eat. This is called mindful eating. What does that mean? It means listening to your body. Think about how you feel before, during, and after a meal. Your body is really good at telling you what it needs. Mindful eating is when you pay close attention to those feelings. It helps you make sure you aren't eating too little, but also that you aren't eating too much. We eat for many reasons. Sometimes we are truly hungry. Our body needs fuel. But sometimes we might eat just because we are bored or sad, or maybe just because our favorite TV show is on. Mindful eating helps us understand the real reason we are reaching for that snack. When you eat, try asking yourself 2 important questions. Question number 1, are you actually hungry? Check your stomach. Is it truly feeling empty and requesting fuel? Or are you just reaching for food because of a feeling, like boredom or stress? Or because you have nothing else to do? Question number 2, how does that food make you feel after you eat it? Pay attention. Do you feel happy, comfortable, and full of energy? Or do you feel too full, sluggish, or maybe even a little sick in your stomach? Asking these 2 questions is the superpower of mindful eating. If you listen closely, you will learn exactly when and how much your body needs. Part of mindful eating is making smart choices. In our modern world, we see many foods that are heavily changed or factory-made. We call these processed foods. Examples are things like chips, sugary drinks, biscuits, and instant noodles. These foods often look and taste super yummy, but here is the secret. Processed foods often don't contain a balanced mix of nutrients. Many processed foods have lots of carbohydrates, especially sugars and fats, but very few proteins, vitamins, or minerals. Think of it this way. If you fill a toy car's battery with sugary juice instead of electricity, it might zoom fast for 1 minute, but then it will crash and break. Processed foods can sometimes give you quick energy, but it doesn't last. On the other hand, whole foods are foods as close to nature as possible. Fruits, vegetables, lentils, nuts, eggs, whole grains, these are naturally rich in all 5 nutrient groups. When you choose whole foods, you give your body a complete toolkit. Before we finish, we can't forget one of the most important nutrients. It's so simple. We often forget it's a nutrient at all: water. Think about it, the majority of your body is actually water. We lose water all the time. When we sweat, when we run, and even when we breathe. This is why we need to keep replacing it. Water has massive invisible jobs. It helps move nutrients around your body, like the delivery truck. It helps cool your body down, and it helps your organs work. If we don't drink enough water, we can become dehydrated. Dehydration can make you feel tired, give you a headache, and make it hard to focus on your studies, so make sure to drink water throughout the day, especially when you are active. You can also get water from fruits, vegetables, and milk. You did it! Today we learned how to be champions of our own health. We discovered that food is our fuel and that it is packed with special ingredients called nutrients. Carbohydrates for go power, proteins for building, fats for warmth and reserve energy, vitamins and minerals to protect and supervise, and water to keep everything flowing. Remember the goal: a balanced diet. Try to get some of each group on your plate at every meal, and the special skill, mindful eating. Listen to your body. Ask if you are truly hungry, and notice how your food choices make you feel. When you eat balanced, whole foods and eat with mindfulness, you are giving your body the fuel it needs to feel strong, happy, and super powerful. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. This video is part of our comprehensive Class 6 Science Curiosity playlist, so make sure to check out the full series for more exciting lessons. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Chapter in 10 for more exciting lessons. See you next time!